Hey guys, Shawn Yacoubian here from Yacoubian Muay Thai. Today we're going to talk about proper stance, proper form in your fighting stance. What you want to do is put your legs shoulder width apart. In Muay Thai, you don't want to be too wide because you're going to need to use your legs. So the longer your stance is, the harder it is to kick. You can always punch from here, but you want to bring your legs shoulder width apart. From a side view, this is an orthodox stance with your left leg forward. Left leg is right underneath your hip. The right leg is right underneath your right hip. Another way to determine is to drop down to your knee, and as you come up, you're here, shoulder width apart. Left leg underneath the left, right underneath the right. The back foot is going to be on the ball of your foot. The ball of your foot is basically right here. When you get on your toes, that's the ball of your foot. The reason being is it helps you propel forward when you need to. As you go back, you're always going to be on the ball of your foot in the back, and the power in order to go backward is going to be on the ball of your foot in the front. However, the front is going to be flat and the back is going to be on the ball of your foot. Arms. Your arms are going to be up. Put your arms up. Relax your shoulders. Just bring your arms up. Have your hands here on the side of your face. That way you have room to parry, to block, to maneuver, to fade away. If your hands are in the front, you're going to be hitting yourself. If your hand's going to be wide, that's basically a different fighting stance. This fighting stance right here is more of a traditional Muay Thai stance, and it's a defensive stance waiting for somebody to come at you. You're leaning back, your hands are in more defensive style because you want the person to come in. There is no wrong or right when it comes to fighting stances. There's just choices that you make. So again, fighting stance that I would like to do is shoulder width apart, get on the ball of your feet, have your hands up, at least cheek level, so you can still see what's going on, and it's easy to bring it up. It's easy to bring it across. It's easy to tuck in, like so. Southpaw version, right leg forward. Same thing, shoulder width apart, left foot on the ball of your foot. Hands up, relaxed, and always shifting your weight. Shift your weight in order to be ready for whatever.